What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for SoFi Technologies with the ticker symbol SOFI. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So I've been pretty bullish on SoFi Technologies ever since it got back above that $8 level. You can see that it held that level as support. You can see that when price shot above it, price pulled back, it stayed above it, which is a bullish sign. And then the next day later, you can see that this big green bar stopped out all the shorts right over here. So that was a very large move up. Price was headed towards that measure move target of around 980, so the high nines. So this was one leg up right here. This was the beginning of the second leg. Target was met, and we're still finding resistance right around that level at the high nines. So it looks like price is still trying to continue higher. Price is above the EMA, which is a good sign, and price is above this trend line right over here. So there's some bullish momentum still leaning towards the upside, and there's even a longer term measure move target in play, which is right over here. So you can see this was the prior large leg in the past. This was the start of the second leg, and it's targeting the 1366. So I would say that my first target, if price can break it past this, high nines, low tens, I'll be looking for the mid 11s and then the mid 13s to the high 13s. So it's looking pretty good for SoFi Technologies. Those are the two targets that I have in mind. I'm not even looking for downward price targets because this is a bullish imbalance going on. There is room to the upside, and we're seeing that the bears are not able to drop down price. So this looks pretty good for further upside. So let's take a look at the weekly chart. So here's a look at the weekly chart. You see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 consecutive green weeks in a row. This one just started. It could be the sixth one. We'll have to wait and see. But as right now, this is clearly a leg up higher. This is an impulse higher, and price is trying to make another similar size leg as it did in the past. So this was the prior size leg, and the bulls are attempting to make a similar size leg in the future. So again, the key word is attempt. Just like how the bears failed to do their leg. This was one leg down right here. This was the second leg. Bears failed to make their leg down. They were attempting to reach it. The bulls were just too strong. And there's a bullish imbalance in play. There's room to the upside. And I'll be leaning more to the upside than the downside. So it looks pretty good for further upside. And there's incentive to move up higher because the measure move target is in play. If we already reached a measure move target, then things can get a little dicey. But as right now, there's room to the upside. There's incentive for higher prices, and there's a bullish imbalance on the chart. So this is pretty good for the upside. We are finding a little bit of resistance, but again, the price doesn't move in straight lines. We're going to be always seeing resistance levels, and we're finding resistance right now. But again, it's most likely just going to be temporary, short-term stuff, and the bulls should be able to push through that, high nines, low tens, fairly shortly. So that's all I have for SoFi Technologies on the daily and weekly chart. I'm looking for more upside. I think the market still has a lot more room to move up higher. So this is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time. The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now.